Hear how the wind begins to whisper. See how the leaves go streaming by. Smell how the velvet rain is falling out where the fields are warm and dry. Now is the time to run inside and stay. Now is the time to find a hideaway where we can stay. Soon it's gonna rain, I can see it. Soon it's gonna rain, I can tell. Soon it's gonna rain, what are we gonna do? Hey, it's gonna rain, I can feel it. Yeah, it's gonna rain, I can tell. It's gonna rain, what'll we do with you? We'll find 4 limbs of a tree. We'll build 4 walls and a floor. We'll bite it over with leaves and duck inside to stay. Then we'll let it rain. We'll not feel it. Then we'll let it rain. Rain pell-mell, and we'll not complain if it never stops at all.